Good morning once again to my YouTube channel. Dear students, we have been discussing acid, bases and salt, and today we are going to discuss about the most important point of acid base, that is indicators. So here we start indicators, and just we can say it is a detector. That means the substance that change their color or odor when added to into an acidic or basic solution. That means indicators are substances when they are treated with acid or base, they change their color or smell. So they are indicators. We have different type of indicators like natural indicators. Those indicators which are found in the nature are called natural indicators. For example, we can say litmus solution is an indicator, natural indicator, and it is a purple dye. It is a purple dye extracted from the lichen plant. So generally we have the two types of litmus, blue litmus and red litmus. So moreover this we have few more natural indicators like red cabbage juice, turmeric juice and so on. So here we have a table of three indicators with respect to acid and base, how they behave. So first of all, here we have seen litmus solution. When it is treated with acidic solution, the blue litmus turns to red. At the same time, when it is treated with basic solution, then the red litmus solution turns to blue. So you should remember this point when it is treated with acid or base. Next we have red cabbage juice. We very often get this. When it is treated with acid, the color turns to red, whereas when the red cabbage juice is treated in base or alkaline solution, then the color changes to green. Similarly, we have here turmeric juice. When turmeric juice is treated with acidic medium, it does not change any color, and whereas if it is treated with alkaline or base, then we have reddish brown color. So this is how the indicators we have in the acid or base. Next we have synthetic indicators. Synthetic, actually it is also known as man-made indicators. The indicators which are synthesized in a laboratory, that means it is man-made. For example, methyl orange and phenolphthalein, and their behaviors in acidic medium and basic medium we can see as follows. First we have phenolphthalein. When it is treated in acid, it does not give any color, that means it becomes colorless. And when it is treated with basic solution, it the color changes to pink, that means we get pink color. Okay. Next we have the methyl orange. When methyl orange is added in acidic medium, then the color of that methyl orange will change into red. And when the same is treated with basic solution, then we can get to see yellow colors. So this is how we can have the indicators, synthetic indicators with respect to acidic medium and basic medium. Next, one more we have here olfactory indicators. The substances whose odor changes when treated with acidic or basic solution. For example, vanilla and onion are used as olfactory indicators. Here typing is mistake. The smell of these two indicators can be detected only in the presence of acid, not in the presence of base. So you should remember one point is that these olfactory indicators, whenever you use in order to detect whether a solution is acidic or basic, this can be detected in presence of acid only, not in the presence of base. So you should not get confusion about olfactory indicators. So this also belongs to natural indicators. So at last we have the universal indicators. So this is the very special type of indicators, those indicators which not only detect the nature of other chemicals, those indicators which not only detect the nature of other chemicals but also determines their acidic or basic strength. So we like to know whether a acid is how much strength will have an acid or a base. So in order to know the strength of an acid and base, we generally use universal indicator. For example, you can have pH paper. About a pH, I will make another video. So here just pH stand for power of hydrogen ions. Okay, so in a solution, how many hydrogen ions is going to released or form, that determines the strength of an acid or base. So students, today I will end up my video. Thank you very much.